اوكي، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم سيف وبر اللي جيناكم فيديو جديد يا شباب. دي الحلقة الثانية من لعبة بلاك اوبس الحرب العالمية الثانية وكود. طبعا يا شباب هذه المرة احنا بنحمل جد، يعني ما في طقطقة، ما عليكم يا رب، مع ان شاء الله ما في طقطقة. يعني اليوم يا شباب نحن دخلنا من عند النورماندا ودخلنا دحين جوا خلاص. دحين المفروض يعني خلاص يعني بدينا الدخول. طبعا يا شباب ان شاء الله الاقي لكم ترجمة، لانه والله ما لقيت صراحة، دورت في كل مكان ما لقيت. فيلا نبدأ.
It's 7 weeks since D-Day. To break out of Normandy, we're pushing inland to secure Marigny. That's how we'll control the roadways and plow across France to Paris. Liberation's coming soon.
Okay.
Me and the fellas, I'd say we're doing pretty good. Not good enough for Pearson, but nothing is. Maybe I'll get home by Christmas with a couple medals on my chest. But first, we gotta take Marigny.
Schmeling versus LaMotta.
Schmeling would have KO'd LaMotta.
No way. And Schmeling's a Nazi. I'd shoot him in a heartbeat.
Now, they made him their poster boy. That guy didn't have a choice.
We all got a choice.
You know, Nietzsche said there was only strong...
That's enough mouth. All right. What about Lewis versus Sugar Ray Robinson?
If we're talking 1938, Lewis Robinson wins hands down.
Hey!
Look who came back for more.
I thought you were out another week.
Not after I heard a bunch of tough SOBs were about to take Marigny.
Yeah, well, playbook's working. At this rate, we'll be home by Christmas. Don't just stand there. Let's see.
All right. Not bad, eh?
Oh. I've seen worse.
Glad to have you back, Private.
Good to be back, sir.
All right, fellas. We got a unique opportunity here. This is our chance to break out of Normandy. It won't be easy. The hedgerows are heavily defended. We got reports of Kraut armor in the area. But if we can hold and secure Marigny, we own the roadways. And if Zussman can take a knife in the gut and come out swinging, I like our odds just fine.
Always bet on a winner, sir.
For Turner, shielding us is his noble calling.
Let's move!
The war just has a habit of getting in the way.
طبعا حاولت الاقي ترجمة للعبة والله ما قدرت. سامحوني كان في تغبيش كذا، فهمت شلون شوي. انا يعني خلاص انا جديدة. احاول على الصوت، اني ما ابغى اسمع تعليقات على الصوت واطي مدري شو. عدلت على الجودة الحمد لله. اوكي هذا شيء زي ما انتم شايفين يا شباب. لكن يبغى نسوق الدبابة. أنا قوتي مو قوت.
You know, a wound like this takes 8 weeks to heal.
I'm ready, Sergeant. You've got my word.
Oh, your word, huh? That don't mean shit to me. So you're good, huh?
I'm just fine and dandy, sir.
You got guts, Private. I just don't want to see them.
Tanks rolling!
ما يبغى يتألم يعني. يدرب يشوف.
Hang on tight, boys. It's gonna get rough. What else is new?
I think Pearson likes you.
Like a lion likes a steak.
Let's go! Let's go!
اشرس وتوتي.
Looks like you're holding up all right.
Yeah, how about yourself?
Couldn't let you guys have all the fun.
Fun's not allowed under Pearson. You know why he's always writing you? Kasserine Pass.
Lost my best friends there.
Yeah, earned him an Article 15 and a demotion. He had to be a hard ass, and his men paid the price. Mission was FUBAR, a massacre. Nazis had no mercy. Hell, we only survived because they didn't have time to seal the western exit. Almost lost everything thanks to that son of a bitch. Turner still ain't over it. Matter of fact, he was the one who wrote him up. Pearson figures if he makes you a model platoon, he'll get it scrubbed. Only we're doing the scrubbing.
Yeah, now you're getting it. It's why he's never gonna give up. He'd kill to have it removed.
اختار
You know what I
القوة.
kill for? Decent grub.
You just had supper.
Hey, shit on a shingle doesn't count.
Hey, how about barbecue, eh?
They never stood a chance.
Guessing no to the open casket.
That's somebody's son. Nah, it's a crowd.
Daniels is right. They're not all bad.
They did give us Kepler, Mozart.
All right, college.
Marlena Dietrich.
See, that's more like it.
Don't forget about their inventions. We got the printing press, electron microscope.
Frankfurters.
You guys are killing me.
You guys hear that?
He's headed this way. Stukas, inbound. Mierda! Clear the tanks!
والله
Get
اني
off
كنت
the
راح
road!
اموت.
We'll circle around! Move! We have to protect our Shermans. That's flak fire in the distance.
ايش كذا؟
We're gonna capture one of their AA guns and bring down those Stukas.
MG's in the barn.
Shit! Everyone down! We gotta hit those MGs! I need teams.
لازم نخلص عليهم واحد واحد من الألمانيا. لا شيخ نسيت من الأرض. كيف الدنيا شو؟ لا تصير.
Keep moving! Don't let up!
حلو. اوه في جندي زي كذا والله كان خلاص الحرب معاه طول.
MGs are tearing us up! Get your ammo, Daniels!
هذا غير السلاح ترى مو صح.
Open fire! At the sandbag!
وهذا معانا انت ولا؟ هو انا مسوي كل شيء. غير السلاح يا اخي. لازم نتقدم عشان يوقف على طول بس. عشان كذا وش ذا اخذت لفة على كل الجنود والله احتمي بابا. وش يا ابوي الحين بالله والله ما اوكي والله يا شباب بعد وين يموت الواحد دون قائد. يا عن هدي خلي على النبي.
MG's in the barn.
Shit! Grenade out!
خلنا نهدي.
Gotta hit those MGs! I need teams to flank them left and right! Go, go, go! Crack shot! Grenade!
يقولون جوج ما جوج يقولون ألمانيا. 200 طلقة انت. شباب اضغطوا. يكون قد لو يحدنا ما ادري.
Tossing out a grenade!
لكن الوضع ماشي حاله.
Throw the smoke!
اوكي يا شباب اي احد يعطيني هذا. كيف انا صاحبي تبي يعطيني؟ في ولا ساعة؟ انا لا ساعة. يا اخي رصاص دام كل مكان يا اخي خلاص. بسم الله عليك. كم رشاش فيه؟ 200 رشاش؟ خلاص عليك الخطة خلاص. بعد 200 محاولة.
MGs in the barn!
Shit! Everyone down! We gotta hit those MGs! I need teams to flank them left and right! Go, go, go! Crowd grenade down there!
شباب والله طايمة.
Advancing! Crowd, making a break now! Southeast!
They're making a break now! Keep moving! Don't let up!
البريق الأحمر رجل موجود. واحد حطاني كف.
Contact 3 o'clock! Leaving cover! Open fire!
لا 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 ثلاثة
Tossing out a grenade!
جود. هذا ده قدم ولا بلاش؟
Ammo when you're ready, Private.
بالوقت هنتهك. هذا كم جاء ثاني كذا.
I have a first aid kit.
اسكوب يا كلب.
Clear! German infantry secured!
Push into the field. We need to rally with our tanks.
عبزق. عندهم أسلحة كويسة.
Large haystack. Take some ammo, Daniels.
Briggs is making a break through the open!
طيب شو نسوي الحين؟
Spread out!
Push him
ولا
back!
الطلقة النارية.
Lob it a grenade!
شفت كيف؟ راسك واضح يعني.
First aid kit! Get after them!
Come on, we're on the run! Keep pushing!
اسمه رصاص.
I need more ammo, sir! Here you go, Private!
العب. لحظة ايش قلت شكرا برد عليه يقول عفوا. عادي شباب عادي. يا اخي ما غير انا اتقدم. اوكي. خلاص صحيح. شو يحسبون هذا منه؟
Germans ahead! Don't bunch up!
Press forward!
طبعا يقول مستسلم.
There's the flak gun! Getting close!
Those Stukas are killing our tanks!
Armor needs our support! We're gonna take the AA gun behind that tree line! Got the first aid kit!
الطائرة الألمانية كيف؟ ألمانيا. قاعد يكسبوا الدورات الدبابات. ايش
There's the AA gun! Let's clean up these crowds and help our tanks out!
خلاص أنا. والله أبشر.
First aid kit here!
لكن هو.
Get on that flak gun and take out those Stukas!
أم عاد العاب. والله
Hey, get on the flak gun! Those bombers are killing our armor! You gotta take them down! Here they come!
بداية الطائرات.
2 o'clock!
اوكي. اصحابه صح؟ والله يكون. اوكي واضح عليه صوت مصيبة كبيرة جدا.
3 o'clock! Target destroyed! Got one!
Guy on the radio sounds pissed! Crowds don't know what's happening!
قاعد
More coming in!
انت ليش كنت تخطف
Straight
الطائرة؟
ahead! Target destroyed! Nice shot, Daniel! So stupid!
ينقص كيف بينقص؟ قوة الدبابات كل شيء.
Stukas attacking our position!
Good! Keep firing!
Coming in high! Target destroyed! 1 o'clock!
He's going down! Not yet!
2 o'clock!
طب اصبر شوي انت.
Direct hit!
الله يعين.
10 o'clock! High!
There's too many!
Stay sharp!
اوه شا والله خفت.
Up top!
Kill him, Daniel!
ايزي بيزي سكوب.
That's all of them. Good job, Daniels.
والله. الله يا اخي.
Hey, Perez! Hey, Perez!
والله يا اخي الشيطان خلص.
We got my buddy Mills in the ambush, but we hit him back hard. The holdouts are dug into the packs up ahead. Gotta clean them out.
All right, Pearson, take a fire team through the orchard and find an overwatch position. After you soften up the packs, I'll lead the main assault with Perez.
Yes, sir!
Daniel, Zussman, you're with me. Come on.
يلحقكم. ايوه انا. لعب والله يا اخي الباب. مين القائد حقنا بالضبط؟ هذا اللي قدامنا ولا هذاك؟ لا لا يكون هذاك القائد وهذا المشي عليه.
German artillery. Tank killers. Didn't you read the briefing?
What are we supposed to do against tank killers?
I was wondering that myself.
يا شباب والله اللعبة مرة حلوة والله أحب ذات الحرب العالمية. كثرونا منها ها والله حلوة.
Damn it. Wish I would have gotten to that flak gun sooner.
Can't blame yourself.
Those are civilians. This is a war crime.
No shit, college.
لا
We're fighting Nazis here.
الأب والولد. والله ما ودي يخرب الخط بس.
Over here. We've got a vantage point.
شفيت يا رجال.
Get out your binoculars. There's Perez and his boys. They're heading right into hell. We gotta hit those pack operators hard.
الله معاهم
Everyone open.
بالضبط.
I got eyes on 2 packs. Daniel, take
The
out
pack crew is dead. There's one more. Get that sniper rifle, Daniel.
Sergeant, call him out.
اوكي. ولا عبد الصوت اخوه. وش فتح على بيبسي. يا شيخ.
That Pack 38 still has a gunner. It's firing on our tank.
Those Pack 38 crews are down. Our tanks are moving up.
Lock up the rest of the Krauts in the trenches.
رغم الشطات ولا الضحك. هذا مو السلاح ضد الطيارات ولا انه هذا اعرف باتلفيلد انا حريفي والله بدي العب معاكم باتلفيلد بس ما عندي فلوس للاسف يعني يصير كل شيء الا باتلفيلد يعني لا غالي يا ولد.
First aid kit's ready.
يمكن والله يمكن اشتري باتلفيلد ولا في اونلاين اخذت من كذا والله في هذا. اوكي والله الحين يقول لي سجون نفس الكلمة كل شيء ما في مشكلة. ايش في شيء هنا مثلا هذا النايم مسدس مجنوني. كيف تد
First aid kit here.
All clear.
يا عاد استغفر يا ما تسوي مشكلة.
Watch out. Enemy tanks coming over the trenches.
رجع إذا ما أنتوا عملت مع اوكي ما اعرف ايش ذاك.
Another enemy position just past the hedges.
اصبر شوف وصلنا لي.
Everyone fall in. Fall in.
Let's put these rhinos to good use.
شغلني.
Tanks forward.
MG-42s. Stay behind the tanks. Use the tanks.
We got Krauts running out of the trenches!
Target that MG-42 nest, right side.
طيارات غريبة. الله طيارات.
Stay with the tanks!
Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Keep pushing! More Germans behind this ridge!
Fuck!
والله اذبح اي احد معليش بس كنت احاول اطلق بس ما قدرت اطلق. قلت ايش استنى. في احد كمان خلته.
The Germans are retreating.
Look at them run!
اوه شيت.
Keep moving. Keep pushing forward.
حتى لو صير مش في بعض.
German troops!
حقد عليهم.
high ground and take out the Pack 38 group.
Move up to the barn!
Grab making a break for
Shit, shit, shit.
First aid kit here!
contact. Get him up.
Daniels, pick up a scoped rifle and hit those packs!
والله حاول تسوي عليه ما
3 pack guns! Hit the ammo caches!
وين وظف سنايبر.
Two more!
ايوه تمام. يوزو.
Hit those ammo
Yeah.
caches, buddy!
اوكي لازم ما توقف هنا.
First aid kit's ready! Daniel, shoot the ammo caches around the pack
يا ابني وين اطلق يا ابني؟
Daniels, keep it up!
شباب بوكس. هلا عمي اسمه برا.
Tanks are moving! We gotta sweep the trenches!
Thanks for the fire support, Daniels. Advancing from the east. Crowd.
Daniel, first aid kit ready for you!
ما قال عندكم بس نينجز. نقدر فيهم.
Pierce, get your men up there and clear those trenches!
Roger that! Everyone move up and clear those trenches! We're surrendering! Hold it down!
اوكي ماشي. هذاك اصابة ماما. انت بتطلع. دقة كيف ترى وصل وجهه. علاش؟
Enemy troops!
اين عرفت اصلا انه لابس
Sergeant, call him out!
يلا الساجر وين؟ الساجر كيف يجي على نداء وراي؟ ادري كيف يجي وراي. ما احب بعد موت التعبيرات. اوكي خلينا نتقدم شوي شباب، وحاول ما اتاخر فيديو عشان ما يكون عليه مونتاج طويل والظروف صعبة شوي. طبعا كان يحب يطول الفيديو فعشان كذا جاب الخطأ هذا. والله كل شي يوقف هذا عشان انه مش معي ثقيل جدا. الله يدنقز.
Hustle up, Daniels!
حلو حلو ما في مش حلو عدل الأول ممتاز. راح اوكي
Daniels, on
اللي
Turner now!
Lieutenant.
Hold on! CO approaching!
والله الساجر حقنا عطنا خطاب.
All right, listen up. Charlie Company's under assault near the church. They need ammo and fire support. Send a squad immediately.
Sir, we're already stretched pretty thin.
Then stretch thinner.
Yes, sir.
We can take the jeeps, and we're gonna need armored support.
All right, that's the plan. Perez! Pearson will follow you with the squad.
Can't do it! Just got orders from Collins. We're heading west with the 11th.
God damn it.
Those boys are running out of time.
اوكي
You're on your own. Take the jeeps and head out. Move!
All right, snap to it! Charlie's up Shit Creek and we're the paddle. Let's go! Let's go!
تقول لي شيء. طيب واضح اننا نتقدم. وين مش سالم
Hey, which way to Marigny?
طابق ها؟
Follow this road to the next village over.
طابق.
Big turn coming. Go easy. The road splits up ahead. Keep an eye out for retreating scouts. They'll run right on top of Charlie Company. We gotta get there first.
قال عادي يا رجال يلا بعادي.
Swing left.
بس وين بس
Look out. Daniel's Krauts up ahead. Keep going. All right.
Close one! Taking fire! Need reinforcements! Almost down! More in! Which way? Straight! Go straight! Hold on! Hard right! Suspect! Grab the wheel! I'm getting on the gun! I'm on it! Enemy jeep! Grab jeep! Dead ahead! Can't hold them much longer! Charlie's counting on us! Road blocked! There's an opening! Hold on! Enemy troops! House on the right! Straight ahead! Take him out! Almost there! Hang on! Charlie Company's in that house! Here! They're all over the house! Boy, coming in! Nothing left! Don't let up! That's all you got? They're falling back! Clean up the rest!
Set up a perimeter by the road.
Just a few more!
All clear.
Okay.
Rally up.
We gotta stop meeting like this.
Don't you be going soft on me, Murphy.
Well, thanks for showing up when you did.
Thank Captain Davis. It was his orders. Okay. It's too late to press on. It looks like you boys got a reprieve.
Excuse me, Sergeant.
Yeah.
Isn't half the crowd army on the other side of those buildings? Shouldn't we find a better place to set up a perimeter?
Sure, Private. Why don't you book us a room at the Ritz?
Sir. He's scared as all.
Why don't you worry about your own problems? Like how that side is gonna hold up tomorrow.
I'm right as rain, Sergeant.
Daniels, why don't you watch him? The only thing more dangerous than the enemy is pride. Rest up, boys. We take Meridier at first light.
أنا بدي أسأل سؤال، القائد كم لابس بلوزة؟
Can't believe I'm fighting
الحمد
alongside
لله.
Zussman again. He's holding up all right, considering we
والله
just
والله
blasted through
بتروح فيها
miles of
60 دقايق.
hedgerows. You'd think Pearson might go a little easier on him. You'd be wrong.
شوف كيف الشباب، صلوا على النبي، صلوا على النبي. ذا اليوم ما صبينا الحمد لله وما نكت. زبد راح فيها زبد. نبغى اشتراكاتكم يا شباب ولايكاتكم يا شباب وتعليقاتكم إذا تبغون نستمر في الحلقة هذه. أتمنى أشوفكم على يوم سعيد يا شباب. صراحة جدا آسف إني ما نكت أو ما سويت شيء مضحك كذا الفيديو هذا. أساسا والله متعب، يعني يمكن خاف يجوني ناس يقولوا أنت ترى بس تنكت ونكتك في وجهك. كان نتفرج يا أخي. فالحمد لله انكم انبسطتوا. ان شاء الله نشوفكم على خير يا شباب. يلا دحين استأذنكم، عندي مونتاج. ان شاء الله اشوفكم على خير.